After almost 5 hours na biyahe from Cabanatuan hanggang Manila, sa wakas ay nakarating na rin ako sa venue. Inanyayahan pala tayong mag-participate sa isang bootcamp for ICT and robotics for trainers na ginanap sa Bayview Park Hotel. Special thanks to Avinia Incorporated for this opportunity and for always trusting me. These are some of my key takeaways and experiences from the bootcamp I attended. Number 1, life is a journey of unending learning. Hanggat kaya, i-update at upgrade natin ang ating skillset. Focus on our strengths, but also give room for our weaknesses. Sometimes, the things that scare or intimidate us are the same things that we might be able to use in the future if you only take the time to learn and explore them. Number 2, mas nakaka-encourage matuto kapag nasa tamang circle of friends ka. Sa 3 araw ng bootcamp, hindi lang latest trends in ICT and robotics ang bumusog sa akin, kundi pati na rin ang iba't ibang kwento ng aking mga nakasama. Sobrang saya at nakaka-inspire makakilala ng mga bagong kaibigan, mga friends na tutulong at makakasama mo sa iyong professional growth. As educators, we cannot give what we do not have, kaya kailangan mag-effort talaga. Overall, naging masaya at puno ng kaalaman ang 3 araw na lumipas. I'm thankful and privileged to be part of this event. Muli, thank you so much, Avinia. See you soon!